Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today I present to you my new to me 1998 Honda Civic EJ9. So as you already know, I've already done a video on this car on this channel before where we've taken out the interior, which as you can see is now very nicely in the car. And the car is looking brand new. So yeah, in this video I'm just going to take you guys, well, for a little look around the car, do a little bit of a review style video, and then take you guys on for a POV drive, of course, after the review is done. So there you go. Alright, so this car is pushing a whopping 100 brake horsepower roughly, paired with a, what the hell is that noise? Okay, I digress. Anyways, so at the heart of this beast is the famous D14 1.4 litre 4-cylinder paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. So at the moment this car is completely stock. Nothing has been done to it, anything aftermarket anyways, so it is practically exactly how it came from the factory. And yeah, unfortunately this car will not be staying on the channel for very long. It will be up for sale by the time I post this video. I'll put a link down below if you're interested. Only serious buyers, of course. But yeah, this thing does have an electric sunroof, which my car does not have. Well, the CRZ does not have. But for a 1998 car, that is pretty cool. And mate, this thing is an absolute blast to drive because, especially of the independent rear suspension, which in the CRZ, it has a torsion beam rear suspension similar to that of the FN2 Type R. So this handles just as well, if not better, than the CRZ, even though it is a little 1.4 from the 90s. It's very slow, but it is a ton of fun to drive, which you guys will see when we do the POV drive in a moment. Alright, so now that we've basically gone through the exterior, let's move on to the interior and I'll see you guys there. And here we are of the interior of the Civic. As you can see, everything is completely original. You've got the factory seats, the factory steering wheel, even the factory radio is in this car. And for the age, it is in brilliant condition. Even the rear seats as well, looking beautiful. And here is the rest. So this car only, well, I say only, but for its age it's not too bad. It's got 128,000 miles on the clock. And you won't be able to tell because this car drives phenomenally. I'm telling you, this car is a driver's car, even though back in the 90s when Honda designed it, it was meant to be just a normal eco box that your average Joe would drive around for groceries, you know. But Honda have really developed something brilliant with this car, especially with the suspension geometry, with the way the car handles, the way it drives, especially with the Type R, which I will hope to get my hands on one day. There's a lot of cars I want to get, but that is definitely up on the bucket list. But we've got the basically the base model to start with. But yeah, still, this is still a brilliant car. So yeah, let's I say now, let's take it for a drive. And there we have it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. And if you guys would like to buy any of my merch, any of the stickers, please drop me a DM on my Instagram or my TikTok. I'll leave them linked down below. But yeah, that is the end of the video, and there should be some big things coming that you guys can look out for, especially on the CRZ. This car is going to be up for sale, which I will also leave a link down below in the description. But yeah, there'll be big things coming for the CRZ. We're going to have some big interior mods. We're going to be changing up the wheels as well. Not changing the wheels exactly, but switching it up a bit. Maybe a different color scheme. Who knows? I won't say too much. But like I said, hope you all enjoy this video and hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Bye bye.